Okay, so good evening everyone, welcome back to our next subtopic, which is static equilibrium. Right. So already we saw two examples of static equilibrium. Okay. So static means what? Static means a body is at rest. Static का मतलब होता है कि हिल नहीं रहा है कुछ. ठीक है. So 12th में भी एक चैप्टर है इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स. Static means कहीं हिलता नहीं हो. So static equilibrium means equilibrium in which all the bodies are at rest. उसको static equilibrium बोलते हैं. So already we saw these two examples. When F1 will be equal to F2, this body will be at rest, this mass will be at rest. Similarly, when mass is tried like this, so if the mass is at rest, these two forces are equal. These two examples we already saw. Now if more than three forces act on a particular body, this is a very interesting case. ठीक है. So it is given that this body is also at rest. ये भी rest में है. ठीक. So basically if three or more forces act on a particular body and if the body is at rest, that means sum of all the three forces should be 0. है कि नहीं? So जो भी forces है F1 plus F2 plus F3, they should be equal to 0. 0 का right? Because सारे force को add करेंगे तो 0 होना चाहिए. So when is this possible? All the three forces are, sum of all the three forces is 0. ठीक है. So this will be possible in one case only, in which the forces are acting like this. This is F1, this is force F2, and this is force F3. ठीक है. So F1 is acting along one side of the triangle, F2 is acting along another side of triangle, F3 is acting on third side of the triangle. ठीक है. इन तीनों को अगर ऐड करेंगे तो इनका सम कितना होगा? 0 होगा, right? Because F1 plus F2 should be this vector, but F3 opposite direction में, so they'll cancel out and इन तीनों का सम 0 होगा. ठीक है. So when three forces are acting and bodies at rest, they must represent the three sides of a triangle. ठीक है, ये important है. इसको थोड़ा नोट कर लेना अपने लैंग्वेज में. ठीक है. So now, so force F1 is acting like this. इसके parallel. Then force F2 suppose is acting like this, and force F3 is acting like this. So these three forces are acting on a body. ठीक है. And sum of all the three forces is 0. Now you can find out the relation between these three forces using one relationship. So suppose angle opposite F1 is theta 1, angle opposite to F2 is theta 2, and angle opposite to F3 is theta 3. ठीक है. So इनका relation आता है using Lami's theorem. There is a basic theorem using which you can solve this. ठीक है. So Lami's theorem says that F1 by sin theta 1 equals to F2 by sin theta 2 equals to F3 by sin theta 2. ठीक है. So this is the Lami's theorem. तो अगर कोई body rest पे more than three forces are acting on it, so उनका relationship ऐसे आता है. So and also if you see, this is a simply basically if you apply this sine rule here, so this angle will be pi minus theta 1, this will be pi minus theta 3, pi minus theta 2. So if you apply the sine rule, अगर sine rule पता है तो इसमें sine rule लगाएंगे तो यहाँ पे same relation आएगा. F1 by sine of pi minus theta 1, that will be sine of theta 1, then F2 by sine of pi minus theta 2. So accordingly you derive. Derivation की ज़रूरत नहीं है. We can just learn this formula, Lami's theorem. Okay. So if three forces are acting on the body, they should be acting along a triangle, and then the sum can be 0, and their relationship can be found using Lami's theorem. Okay. And Lami's theorem कब लगा सकते हैं? When the body is at rest, basically the body should be in equilibrium. ये condition है. So it can be static equilibrium or dynamic equilibrium also. ठीक है. So ये static equilibrium का कुछ basic cases होंगे. Now we'll study more about the different kind of forces in the next video. Thank you very much.